Alright folks, here we are again. Like I said in my previous video, the first unboxing from Darvex, waiting for another box. Well, came in today again when I went to work, so I'm pretty stoked right now. Right now it is 10:18 Hawaii time, so I just got home from work, anxious to open this box. So here we go. Darvex, baby. Steve Me design. So I got the sight clamp. Oh, like I said in my other video, I screwed up. Instead of black ground wire, it's gonna be blue ground wire. Okay, here's all the stuff I ordered. Right. Yes. Finger voltmeter. Hooking this up. Alright, I got 20 feet of 4 gauge power wire. Heck yeah. This ain't no 8 gauge, that's for sure. Some 4 gauge 20 foot of ground wire. There we go. 0 gauge terminal. Check that big boys out. God damn. There you go, my fuse holder. So I was waiting for my A&L fuse holders. Got the fuses in my other video. Number 2. 3, should be 7 of them. Or didn't have the same kind, so they just swapped it out. Same A&L fuse holders, but just different look. Okay. This one and this one. Compare the two. I don't really care. It's only the looks. They work the same way. Just another one. Another one. And another one. Okay. And I got my 25 foot roll of 0 gauge power wire and ground wire. Check out my other video of Darvex unboxing. Has the power wire in it. Too lazy to go get it. Check this. Oh, this shit's huge. Right. Got one more box to unbox. This one is from Amazon. Okay. Let's just rip this thing apart. Let's see if we can real quick. Go. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's my terminals. There we go. So I got a 2 4 gauge. 4 gauge whatchamacall terminals right here. 4 gauge. These are 0 gauge terminals. Check that out. Got my battery terminals. 5/16 stud. perfect for my 0 gauge running from my alternator and my batteries. So yeah, that's about it. I wanna give thanks to Brian Tabor. Sorry if I mispronounced it. Tabor or Tabor. He helped me a lot through darvex. When I had troubles trying to even order from my computer. We had what kind of internet? Something about the new internet server 9, something like that. It wasn't compatible with the darvex site, so I gave him a call and he hooked it up for me. So I ordered all this stuff. He kept me updated throughout everything. He got me cheap shipping. Yeah, man, thanks a lot, Ryan Tabor. He's a man. Alright, folks, gonna be installing this stuff tomorrow. Just got I'm making another video tomorrow installing my alternator. Still got waiting for 2 Kinetics 1400s, 2 of them. Alright, and I got my isolator, another video. That's what the isolator is for. Got the stock Napa battery in the front. Check out my videos. Please subscribe. Thanks a lot.